Let me ask you ever had this happen before? You tie a foreign hand knot or a different tie knot, and the tie will actually droop during the day. Why is that the reason? Well, there's two possible reasons. One, the tie knot isn't properly tightened enough, or number two, is not anchored enough. And you're probably thinking, anchored enough? Yes, let me show you. So first of all, let's fix the tightened tie, making sure that it's actually tight enough. What we can do is if we're tying foreign hand knot, tying some type of knot, and it's going to droop or it does droop, we can pull on the smaller end a little bit tighter and ensure that that knot is fully right up to the top. So say if I pull the knot, I'm going to pull on it a little extra tight. From here, once I get it up to the top, I'm actually going to sort of shape in my knot, and I'm pushing up on the knot itself. I'm making it extra tight. When I pop down my collar, I'm going to do the same. I'm making it extra tight. I'm pulling down on the bigger end. That is one step. You're probably thinking, well, I have never done that before. That's crazy. But let me tell you, if you do happen to do that, you're going to avoid that droop. Let's talk about the anchoring. Anchoring the tie. Yes, anchoring. Let me pull out some tie bars. These are from Work and Stiffs. I've done a video about them before. We can actually use a tie bar and use it on the tie to hold the smaller end in place. Because when you go about your day, the tie will become loose if the fabric shifts. Depending on what happens, I don't know, friction, whatever, the tie is going to loosen because the back is still loose. We can use a tie bar here to fix that to ensure that it's anchored. I feel like silver would look good with this tie. Anyways, if I remove or just move my tie, I can count out 1, 2, 3. There's 3 buttons there. I want to position this tie bar in between the second and third button. I'm just going to slide it on so it covers both the smaller end and the bigger end itself. So just slide that on. Look at that. There's a smaller end right there, and the bigger end is also attached or within that tie bar. If you haven't heard of that tip before, highly recommend it, because like I said, if you want to avoid that droop during the day, grabbing a tie bar, it'll help actually keep everything in place to avoid that drooping. Again, a couple of tips there on how to avoid the tie droop, the tie knot droop. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.